love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, need you.
You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah.
I love you. No one above you. Lover, this love to nobody. Lover, all another love. Lover, lover, I wanna be your lover forever, forever. And in my phone.
Why it seems strange, but let me know if I'm out of order. Step into you this way. See, I've been watching you for a while, and I just gotta let you know that I'm really feeling your style. Plus, I had to know your name.
today I'm trying out 2 new products from Juvia's place. This chocolates, the chocolates by Juvia's, and it's this beautiful range of chocolate browns and like nude colors. Love it down. And then I'm using this I Am Magic Silky finishing powder, and it's in the shade Warm Honey. And as you can tell, I mean, the face speaks for itself. I know that Juvia's face has a stellar reputation in terms of quality and affordability, being a perfect mid-ground for those two things, but I've never been able to I haven't been able to get my hands on any locally before. So I had a friend that traveled recently. Shout out to you, Sonia. Thank you. And she picked these 2 up for me from Ulta. And guess what? I got a Black Friday sale on them as well. So 10 out of 10. Check out Black Friday sales, whatever like end of year sales that people are having. By the way, one thing about this container, it can be a bit difficult to to open. So definitely keep it a little bit slack. You know, like don't make sure and turn it all the way, because when you're ready to use it, sis, you're gonna need to be calling your husband, your brother, your father, somebody, your uncle. You're gonna have to call somebody to help you open it, because it can get really tricky, especially if your hands have oil or grease on it or whatever. So yeah, like I said, I absolutely love, love, love this look down, and I'm starting to sweat because this room is so hot, and I have no more to tell you guys. So please let me know. Did you like the look? And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you. Bye.